Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome back to this free gospel mixing course. Today we are going to be working on the organ, and in this particular track there's a high organ and a low organ. It was recorded really well, so normally you just get one organ track, but in this one it's split out between the bass, the feet, and then the keys and the hands. So let's jump right in and see how we're going to mix it. Busting out the gospel organ. I know this video is probably called How to Mix Gospel Organ or something along those lines, but you might get disappointed because there's probably not a ton that we're going to have to do to it. So this is the bottom, the organ bottom. I am going to high pass it a little bit. Since it's the bottom, I'll even low pass it. We're just going to compress it pretty hard since it is the bottom. I mean, it's not adding to our bass really right now. So I'm not treating it as a low-end instrument that needs to be smashed, but I'm going to compress it. And then let's bring in the stereo top. So another high pass, compression. I'm just shelving down the high end a little bit. It's kind of harsh and piercing, and I don't want that to hurt anyone's ears, so that's what this shelf is for. And then let's fade it into the mix and see if it's causing any issues. Okay, so everything's sounding fairly decent right now. Looks like we're almost to the vocals, but there's just a few of these little things, these little add-on effects, synths, stuff left in. But I'm just going to keep this video to gospel organ only and move on to the bells, strings, synths next video. So I'll see you then.